If you want to set your aspect ratio to 16:9 as default on your iPhone 15e, so first of all, we have to open up our camera. It doesn't matter what you are using, your front camera or your back camera, right? Now let's tap on this arrow to open up our menu. Now choose any kind of variant. So in our case, I will choose 16:9, right? All right, now to save this setting for the further shots, we have to open up our settings. Then we have to find our camera. In our camera, let's find preserve settings. Here they are. In our preserve settings, we have to find our creative control. There it is. Great, so now anytime we're gonna open up our camera, our aspect ratio will be on 16:9 or on 4:3 if you want to set that. It's gonna be saved anyways. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.